Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Disney Plus not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check if Disney Plus is down by searching Disney Plus status on Google. If there is an outage, wait and try again later because the problem is not on your device. Restart your device completely by turning it off, waiting 10 seconds, and turning it back on. Check your internet by opening a different app or website to confirm your connection works. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Move closer to the Wi-Fi router or switch to a stronger network if the signal is weak. Disable VPN or proxy settings because Disney Plus may block them. Turn off ad blockers or DNS filters on your network if you use them. On your device, open settings and make sure date and time are set to automatic. Force close the Disney Plus app and open it again to refresh the session. Log out of Disney Plus, then log back in to fix account token issues. Check for app updates in the App Store or Google Play and install any available updates. Update your device system software because outdated systems can cause streaming errors. Clear the Disney Plus app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Disney Plus, Storage, Clear cache. If you are on iPhone, offload the app from Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Disney Plus, offload app, then reinstall. If you are on Smart TV, go to Apps, Disney Plus, and clear cache or clear data if the option exists. Uninstall Disney Plus completely and reinstall it to replace damaged app files. After reinstalling, restart the device again for the cleanest app launch. Check your Disney Plus password and reset it if login keeps failing. Make sure your subscription is active by signing in on a web browser and checking billing status. If you see error code 83, try switching network type, like mobile hotspot, to test connection blocks. If you see buffering, lower the streaming quality by reducing network load or pausing other downloads. Disconnect other devices from the same Wi-Fi to free bandwidth for streaming. Try a different browser or device to confirm whether the issue is app-specific or account-specific. On a browser, clear cookies and cache, then restart the browser and sign in again. Disable browser extensions temporarily, especially privacy and ad block extensions. Then test playback. Check HDMI cables and input settings if you use a streaming stick or set-top box on a TV. Contact Disney Plus support and provide the exact error code if none of the steps work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.